Hey guys, there's one item I'd like to share with you guys that I'm deciding to put on my truck. It is this right here. Son of It is this right here. It is a radiator filter. Never ever did I think, or have I ever heard of these. But when I saw it on the Champion website, I just kind of had to have it, honestly. It's very interesting, but yet at the same time, it's funny though, maybe you guys have heard of it, maybe I'm just weird, but it makes perfect sense to run a filter on your radiator fluid, you know what I mean? Especially these old engines like mine. They got a lot of gunk over the years that this could really sift through. It's a mesh screen filter, so it's meant for the big stuff. The stuff that can mess up your water pump and so on and so forth. You can put it on the top, here's some directions. You can put it on the top hose or you can put it on the bottom hose. Honestly, you know, and I got some pieces cut out here, the gunk that this thing's gonna catch. So yeah, I just wanted to point this out, pretty cool. I'll put the part number up and wow, we'll see how this thing does. I'm really excited to install this. Alrighty guys, here's that filter I mentioned. Here are the directions. Here's the two hose clamps that came with it. What you will need, however you cut hose, I bought one of these so that it's a little bit more of a straighter cut. So on this image here, it shows, I don't know if you can see that, it shows that the flow from the top of the radiator hose is coming from the engine to the top of the radiator.
Hey, this installation's pretty straightforward, not much different than installing a radiator hose. Mark your location where you want to cut, measure twice, cut once. I recommend using this tool. The hose was a bit big for it, but it still creates such a smooth, straight cut. I really enjoyed installing this unit, and I'll show you guys after this all the gunk it caught in only a short amount of time in this filter. I think, for me, it really helped out a lot, and I'll be honest with you, it's priced pretty right. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate all the thumbs up and these subscriptions and comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was informative for you guys. Head on over to Champion and check out their filters. Definitely recommended. Thanks guys.